How to redeem gift codes on Embark. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily redeem any kind of gift codes on the Embark's website. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to id.embark.games, and once you get to this website you will have three options to log in. You can use either your Steam account, your PlayStation account, or your Xbox account. I'm going to continue with my Steam, so I'm just going to click right here. And as you can see, my profile is already shown here. I'm just going to sign in using my Steam account. And if you haven't already signed in, you need to log into your Steam ID first. And here I have been logged into my account. So once you're logged in on your Embark games, at the left side of your screen, you will have different options like connected platforms, block list, redeem gift codes, refer a friend. Click on this section right here. And here you will get an empty space where you can write your code. So if you have a valid code, you can just enter your code here and then make sure that the code is valid. So once you do that, you can just click on redeem, but you have to know that the code can be valid. It can be only used once, and once it has been redeemed, you cannot use the code once again. So make sure that you have a valid code, and note that the code also has expiry dates. So make sure that is also valid, and then you should be able to redeem your code. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.